Let me show you how to use the Gmail keyboard shortcuts. If you want to enable these shortcuts inside of Gmail so that you can improve your workflow or speed up your workflow, you'll need to first of all enable it. Make sure you're inside of Gmail, click on the settings option and then head over to see all settings. Make sure you're inside of General, scroll down and find the option of keyboard shortcuts. Right here, you're going to see this option. By default, it would be off. Make sure you click on the turn on option and then you can click on save changes. Now to look at these keyboard shortcuts, you can click on the learn more option right here. And if you scroll down, you can see all of the shortcuts that you can use, whether they be for composing and chat, formatting your text, and etc. Once you save these changes, you can head back. In order to compose an email, you just need to click on C and this new composed email will open up. Similarly, you can look at different commands or different shortcuts that you can use to speed up your process. So that's the way that you use the Gmail keyboard shortcuts. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.